So the other day I came across this really cool image scrolling on Pinterest that really stood out to me. I think what pops the most to me about this image is that streak of light across his face. It really makes it super mysterious and artistic. So I really wanted to give myself a fun project. I wanted to recreate the image, and I'm gonna show you how I did that. So first, obviously they use a red backdrop, which I already love shooting on. So I had a red backdrop already. I used the Aputure LS60 attached with its compatible spotlight mount. And the spotlight mount allows you to create really cool shapes and circles and fun stuff. By default, it makes a circle, but by using the blades in the back of it, you're able to kind of craft this straight line, and that was able to give us our streak of light. The model for today is Jasmine Fountain, who is always being asked by me to help me test things out. Jasmine conveniently already owned a red blazer that she brought, along with some chains, gold jewelry, all of that, so the look was really coming together quickly. I positioned her a few feet away from the backdrop to create just a little bit of depth, and then I aimed the streak of light like right over her eyes, and the look was there. A couple shots later, and we got it. And it was really cool to see them side by side and see how similar they looked. And with, subtle differences as well. And it's nice to like try to recreate something, but not always exactly, but it was fun to create. Honestly, the whole process took like 10 minutes, so I wanted to try something else with all the extra time we had. So I wanted to try some overhead lighting, which I haven't really done until I got my new Amaran light mat, which is super lightweight and allows me to have a nice top-down lighting effect. And since we were already shooting on red, I decided to just make the color blue to contrast really well against the red. And then we started taking some shots and we got this. I like it. So like a deep, moody type portrait with some nice color contrast, but I wanted to take it a little further. And so I added these prism effects filters that are like able to really soften the light and just put it over my lens, and then it was able to give this kind of effect. I honestly like these a lot better. It's super soft, super dreamy, and I'm really happy with how these came out. It's really fun to look at inspiration, be inspired by something, not really knowing how they created it, but challenge yourself to try to recreate it. It keeps you sharp and it just keeps you creative. As always, I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.